All right, welcome back. Here we go. So, Maria's class is painting a mural on a school wall. Staff in Acona Cultural Center helped Maria copy the Pueblo pottery design to use in the mural. Beautiful. Maria draws her design on 1 centimeter grid paper. She begins with one of the triangles. What is the area of her triangle? Okay, so we talked earlier. We want to deal with base and height so that we can figure out how to get our answer. So we're going to identify the base and the height first in this triangle. So my base is, oh, nice. It's situated this way. So I can count those squares to come up with my base. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now remember that height, I've got to form a perpendicular line. I've got to make that 90-degree angle. So I'm having to find my own height in this triangle. Here it is right here. It makes a 90-degree angle and it goes all the way to the top of my triangle. That line is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the base is 8, the height is 4. Now, when I'm finding the area of a triangle, my formula starts with base times height. But remember, if I did base times height just like this, that would give me the area of the entire rectangle, which is not what I want. I only want that triangle. Remember how we looked earlier? Those rectangles, parallelograms can all be split into 2 equal triangles. Well, friends, guess what? That means I just need to take that base times height and I need to divide it by 2. So this is what your formula looks like, right? And then I'm just going to pop those numbers into the formula to solve it. So base here was 8. The height was 4. I'm going to take that whole thing, divide it by 2. 8 times 4 is 32. Divided by 2 equals 16. So my area here would be 16 square centimeters. Just in case you need me to prove it to you, here's what that would look like, right? I could have drawn the rest of the rectangle around both of those. I could have split those into 2 rectangles and then had half of each. I could also show you down below that I could create a parallelogram, but basically the important thing is a triangle, the area of a triangle is going to be half of the base times the height. This base times the height is going to create a rectangle or a parallelogram around that triangle. And then if I take away the area that I don't need, that is not part of my triangle, what I have left in here is going to be exactly half that. So that formula again is area equals base times height divided by 2. All right, you have some problems moving forward where you're going to apply this formula to these problems and work through some situations with them.